Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd like to play for you once again the Chopin Nocturne, Opus 27, number 2. But this time I want to play it slower and try and create a tenderness to each note, a roundness, a caring, a compassion. So it has to have an environment around each note as I come down into the key. And I'm going to combine the weight touch, the flop right through to the floor, with something that I was taught by Douglas Voice at Ottawa U many years ago, back in the 70s. And he said, depress the key halfway, as it were. And when he told me that, I couldn't understand what he meant, because I was taught weight touch. You balance the weight on the key, and I couldn't understand how could you depress the key halfway and still use weight. But I realize now that you can have both, because the finger's firm, this works against this, the muscles work against each other, and you have the end as antagonistic pairs, and the finger's firm, and it plays down from the main arch. But everything drops right from your neck, and when you can just think of depressing the key halfway as you flop right through to the floor, you see you can get a lovely tone. Each note is round and with warmth and tenderness. So I'll play it, and please forgive me wrong notes, because I don't have the memory on the piece, and if I stop to correct wrong notes, then I know it disturbs the flow of the piece, but I don't like letting wrong notes go. But I'll give you my best shot anyway, and let you see if you can hear an improved tone anyway by doing it like this. So we try slower than before. goes and goes bright. Anyway, I hope that gives you some idea of what I'm trying to do and haven't achieved yet, but it'll be slow practice on those difficult spots, and that's the way I'll get around the note errors and clean it up so that I'll be able to be more expressive with the piece as time goes on. It grows on you. Anyway, I hope you have a good night, and thank you. I hope you got some good ideas from this. Bye-bye.